In this troubleshooting guide, you will learn how to fix blue screen error driver power state failure in Windows 10 and Windows 11.
First, start your PC and press your F9 key repeatedly to access the automatic repair screen. If your F9 key doesn't work, try your other F keys like F8, F7, etc. If you still can't access the automatic repair screen, first start your PC and press the power button while it tries to load Windows to force it to shut down. Do this 3 times in a row to access the automatic repair screen. Click on Advanced Options. Click on Troubleshoot. Click on Advanced Options. Click on Startup Repair. Select your account. Type in your password. If you don't have one, just press Continue. Now wait for Windows 10 to be repaired. Now your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work,
Click on Troubleshoot.
select Advanced Options. Select Command Prompt. Select your account. Type in your password. Now type bootrec/fix mbr and then press Enter. Type bootrec/fix boot and then press Enter. If you get access denied, type the following command, then try again. Type bootrec/fix boot and then press Enter. Type BSOD edit/export C:/BSOD backup and then press Enter. Type attrib C:/boot/BCD-H-R-S and then press Enter. Type ren C:/boot/bcd-bcd.old and then press Enter. Type boot/rebuild BCD and then press enter. Type Y and then press enter. Type exit and then press enter. Press continue to restart. If that didn't work, click on Troubleshoot. Click on Advanced Options. Press System Restore. Select your account. Select your keyboard layout. Press Next. Select your latest restore point. Press Next. Press Finish. Press Yes. Now wait for your PC to be restored. If that didn't work, click on Troubleshoot. Press Reset this PC. Select if you want to keep your personal files. Select your account. Type in your password. Press Reset this PC. Now wait for Windows to reset.